Hi guys, I'm Vaibhav this side, and in this video, I will try to help you understand better about AirCampus Full Stack Development Job Guarantee Program. Right. So what I will be doing, I will be first quickly introducing, what we are trying to do. Right. So like you might be aware about this common problem. Like you may be in fourth year, in third year, or graduate, or a working professional. Getting a good opportunity is based on how much you're upskilling yourself. Right. So what we tried doing is we tried building a program. You can see there are n number of companies who are doing the same thing, but we want to innovate it in lot of ways, right? So the first one what we are trying to do is we are definitely offering a 6 months full stack development job guarantee program with the four modules, the front end, back end, DSA, and more depth, base of system design. Now on the top of this, what happen is we are able to get some of the best mentors for you who will be directly connecting one-on-one with you or taking your classes. Those may be from Microsoft, Walmart, Google, Sony, Amazon, and lot of top companies. Second thing, you might be worried, like if you are in final year or might not be having a good branch or might not be having good pointers, so you don't have to worry at all, right? What I'm about to tell you is the eligibility. So you can be a final year student or a pre-final year student or a graduate or a working professional. If you want to get a job into a good product based company or a high growing startup, you can definitely explore the program. That is the first thing. Then the second thing is, on the top of this, when we talk about the process, like how we are evaluating the candidate, this is going to be like how the application process is. So there are quick three steps. You can sign up from the platform, give the test, and appear for the interview. The test qualify if you have the basic cognitive ability skills that will be needed during the course, or basic logical reasoning or aptitude skills. So in the interview, will be judging your communication skills. This is a personal interview. We'll be just talking a base about you, right? Now we discuss the application process. Now what I want to talk to you about is how we'll be placing you, right? So the our secret sauce basically is our curriculum, our mentors, and the intensive structure of the course. The first thing is the timing. So timing is basically the live lectures held from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the night, so that college student, working professional, as well as the person who is graduate and looking for job, all can attend. It is feasible for all. The second thing is we have this assignments and projects daily basis. You have to spend 2 to 3 hours on self work. On the top of this, you get a chance to interact with the mentors from Walmart, Microsoft, Google, Sony. Mostly all the 5 to 7 days of the week, they give you a calendar access. You can just schedule whatever the time is feasible for you from their calendar, right? This is I would say the second thing, so that you are able to get the feedback on every single line of code that you're writing. That gives you a lot of lot of value and lot of confidence in the early part of the course. Now, I would just like to highlight the other part. On weekends, we do hackathons and other one-on-one sessions. Whatever you will be learning on a weekly basis, you will be able to give a mock interview kind of thing, or connect with the mentor and helping them understand what you actually learned, right? The second thing is that in the hackathons, you have limited times and the team with which you have to build something. So this is really exciting because you're actually building some cool project, right? You can just buzz around it on the LinkedIn or platforms. Will be suggesting you to get the vibe, like I'm building on the project, I'm working on this project, and you will really feel good out of that. Other than this, if we talk about a hiring partner, we have some really good hiring partners, around 50 plus good companies based out of Bangalore and other metro cities, who are I would say high growing startup, right? That is the other thing. And on the ISA side, like like most people say, like you're pitching the course, but not telling us about the ISA. So I'm especially mentioning the period, like we are taking slightly low amount. That is not a big deal, like we are charging that equally. But what we are trying to build is not an institute like others. We are trying to build a community. For example, if you're joining us right now, getting graduated 6 months down the line, we each other keep on adding value for each other. Like you as a student might be doing for the the people who are in the current batches, or we will be helping you get the second level of job, like maybe referring you to the SDR2 levels or whatever the possibility will be there. Basically creating a environment or a group of people who want to help each other grow constantly, not just because you are in a course. So getting that feel from the student, why we are able to do this, because the mentor we have from this Walmart, Microsoft, Sony, whatever, they are, self-sufficient themselves in terms of the payout. So they are just not doing it for money, right? This is not just their side project. They want to actually create an impact, right? That's the feel we have internally. That's why I feel we are very different from the normal pay after placement boot camps, right? Why, why this person are giving you time on daily or weekly basis, because they just want to ensure you may be coming from any background, any place, it doesn't matter, you might have any degree, any graduation percentage, doesn't matter, but they want to help you to reach to a level, right, where you will be helping similar people to make the society a better place. That's extremely important, because there are n number of institutes, you can just go there and get the job, it is not a big deal, right? But getting that feel someone is helping you, what I can assure you is, it might not be the most branded institute out there, but definitely you will get the vibe, you will get the feel, right? You will feel it, inside, like, this is something good. Yeah, I'm really liking it. Or these people is, why he's so passionate, why he, want pushing me so much to get this placement, why he's pushing me to get the best job, why he's just not asking me to settle for this, whatever the first package I'm getting. So money is byproduct of what we are trying to do. Fees is, helping us to do this, but not the motivating factor for us. We really want to build something that is adding value to a lot of people and changing the life of people. A person, like, I just want to highlight a story of a candidate I really love. He's in my current batch. He comes from Surat, right? And he takes the live classes by sitting in a clinic where he's work for a doctor as a, as a person who, sit on the reception, right? I really love him because he never missed any of my class till now. And he's so passionate. I love placing him. He's coming right after 12th. He couldn't complete his graduation because of the financial issue. I have lot of candidates like this, and I really, I really feel if I'm able to help him get a very good paying job, he will be helping lot of students like him who might be feeling they are not good enough to get the job because of the opportunities, because of the constraints he might be having, because of the financial issue of the family, whatever, right? But Parikshit or the students like Parikshit will be setting lot of examples out there. What I need from you is, like, if you are applying for the course, please don't apply, what happens is, like, we got 500 applications, we select half of them, then all of them attend the classes, but we can select very few of them. Reason being, if you are not self driven, you are not motivated enough, we can show you the direction, we can give you the resources, we can give you the best mentor, but at the end of the day, you have to do the course, you have to write the piece of the code that we are telling you, right? Like, if you talk about the super 30, right, why, so, like, if I say, Mr. Anand is so inspiring for us because he has given us the example. That's why I love Bihar so much. Bihar itself set an example. You can come from any place, the worst place or the worst condition, but you can reach to the top if you are so passionate and driven by, the goal that you're having in your mind, right? So if you are someone who is into this mindset, whatever your condition, doesn't matter if you have the money, not if you're eating food or not, whatever it is, but if you're driven, we will, give her everything to give you the best placement, right? That is what we're trying to do, and what we are trying to set an example is, we are, so much passionate into this. And when I see my learners doing this, I love them, I literally love them, and we are as an organization ready to do anything for them, literally. So that's from my side. I just wanted to give a quick update because lots of students are telling, like, sir, you're not engaging on YouTube. We want to hear about the course, learners, and all. Our mentors, I won't be able to make lot of videos on this channel, but my mentors, like, from Microsoft, Google, they might be taking some, either one-on-one live sessions or something. But this channel will be active. So if you're not following this, keep following. We are getting, like, 50 plus calls every day. They are asking about the eligibility and all the things. So just at the end of this, I just want to take, like, if you're really driven and want to change your life, we will do our best to reach you to that level. It might not be easy, yeah, definitely it won't be easy in that sense, but if you are driven, we will do everything we can to, get you the actual results, right? So just be very motivated, do something really good, whatever you are, where you are, doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, you should be very much driven, like, I should want to do this, I want to, like, actually be so more innovative, want to do something, like, if Elon Musk can buy the Twitter, what you're buying, right? how you are adding value, what you are changing, what is your next big thing that you're about to do. So looking forward to have some good comments in the video, like, what is the big challenge that you're trying to do, or how you're making the world a better place, right? Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.